Finding the right bedside table is always the bane of my existence, and the two I found in here are absolutely spot on. Hi Domain, I'm Carlene Duffy, designer and renovator, and welcome to the Red Room at our Cudgera Creek farmhouse project. This room is a bit of a different take on a traditional blue and red colour scheme. We've gone really deep with the wall colour. It's sort of a reddy brown, which to me feels calmer and a little bit more sophisticated, despite how bold it is. We had some leftover fabric from the dining bench seat, so we were able to utilise that to make a custom cushion, which really pops off the blue bedding. This room is a mirror of the mustard room. So we're really fortunate again to have this really beautiful opening to the veranda through the French doors, as well as these really high ceilings. And again, you create the illusion of space. The bedside tables were ones I found pre-loved on the Gold Coast. I love the fact that they're cane, which is a bit of a theme running through this house. And vintage cane, for some reason, has more of a robustness about it than newer style cane. Like the bedside tables are symmetrical in this space, we've also done mirroring bedside lamps. And again, by installing them on the walls, you're able to save space and get things off horizontal surfaces, which creates the illusion of space. The pegboard wall hooks are just a staple that we've run through basically every room in the house. It's just really important to have those opportunities to be able to hang coats, umbrellas, hats, be able to get things off those flat surfaces and get them up on the wall.